my big thing that slapped me in the face is there was a lot of lies and fraud going on outside me, and I ended up realising it was because I was lying and being a fraud to myself. Yeah. So just imagine we're in these holographic bubbles and it's constantly just a mirror reflecting at us, just giving us awareness. But if we want to look at other people, which is what I call blame, yeah, when we start blaming everyone and everything else, that, you know, that's not going to get us anywhere. We're not taking responsibility, because what's blame really? Blame is this. Blah, blah, me. Yeah, that's all blame is, blah, 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 me. It's coming back to you, yeah, but it's, the blame is blah, blah, it's blah, blah, it's blah, blah, and it's, you know, missing the me part.